Used the run dialog a lot and want to clear your history? Here's how to do it in Windows 11. Open Registry Editor. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. In the Registry Editor, go to hkey_current_user software Microsoft Windows Current Version Explorer run MRU. Here, you'll see all your past run commands. Select all the values except default. Right-click and choose Delete. Now your run history is cleared. Like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips.